What's up everybody, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to yet another video here on the N-Ext DIY Lawn channel. Today guys, we are back with yet another episode of What's in the Jug. Today guys, we are talking all about 002 Micro Greene. Now N-Ext 002 Micro Greene exists in the N-Ext line for two reasons. Number one, it is a micronutrient product that is great to apply alongside your 1801 or 901 applications if you're applying to turf, or your 402 Flora-Green applications if you're applying to trees and shrubs. Number two, it is a great complete all-around fertilizer product to use during blackout periods. Now for those of you who don't know what that means, basically if you live in an area like Florida, you experience what is called blackout, which basically means you are not allowed to apply anything with nitrogen or phosphorus content for the entirety of the summer. So one way to combat that is to use a product like Micro Greene, which contains a good amount of potassium, 2%, as well as a load of micronutrients to fill in the gaps and help build the soil in the summer months. As far as application rates go with this particular product, you can apply it anywhere from 3 to 6 ounces per thousand on the monthly if you're using it as an additive in your regular fertilizer program, or if you're using it during times of blackout as a standalone product, you can apply it anywhere from 10 to 16 ounces per thousand square feet every 4 to 8 weeks throughout the growing season. There you go guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment down below, let us know what you thought about it. If you have any 002 Micro Greene stories you'd like to share, leave those down below. Myself and all the members of Greene County Fertilizer, we are honored to hear how well these products are treating your lawn, your landscape, and most importantly, your soil. So please leave those stories down below. I'll see you in the next What's in the Jug.